Welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. Today we cooked this amazing 11-pound pork butt. I started off this cook by applying a very strong heavy coat of mustard and then loaded on the barbecue rub. I put this in the barbecue at 275 degrees with oak wood and lump charcoal. You can tell I also did not put any water pan beneath it because it was a pretty humid day and I didn't think we needed the additional humidity in the barbecue for this cook. What I don't show here is after this portion, I then wrapped it up in tin foil, cooked until internal temperature was 203, rested for 1 hour, and then this is what you see here, pull tender. It wasn't just the meat that was pulled tender, the bone came right out as well. This is a clear sign that this was cooked perfectly. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. I hope you have yourself a great day.